Hey friends, let's jump straight into the song, and we're tuned to D, so just tune each string down a whole step or a tone there. So let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with the 5th fret on the D and the G, and then we're palm muting the open A 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do that 3 times. So we have. Then play the C power chord 2 times. Do the open A 2 times, and the D power chord 2 times. Then just go back to our first riff 3 times again. Then we're going to do the harmonics. We're going to do 5th fret on the D and the A, 7 on the G and the D, and then 5 on the G 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So. Then we're going back to our first riff again 3 times. Our C power chord, 2 palm mutes on the A to our D power chord, back to our riff again 2 times. And the 3rd time we play the 5, D and G, and just do 3 palm mutes on the A, 1, 2, 3, bend the 7th fret on the G, bend it, release, pull off the 5, and then D 7, 5, A 7, 5, E 8, 5. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're just starting on the 5, D and G again, same as our intro riff 3 times. Then go to 7, D and G, back to the A palm mute 2 times, 7, D and G, and then do 5, hammer onto 7. We repeat that again. To the 7s, 5, hammer onto 7, and repeat that again. The 7s, this time do 7, hammer onto 8 on the E string, and that's our verse there. So for our pre-chorus, we're just starting on the F power chord, and then on the A string play 8, 7, 5, E, 8, back to 5 on the A, back to E, 8, 7, then jump up to a G power chord, so 10, 12 and 12, and then the run down on the A, 10, 9, 7, 10 on the E, back to 7 on the A, back to the E, 10, 8, and then just back to an A power chord, and that's our pre-chorus there. So for our chorus, we have the open A 2 times, and play 7, D, 5, G, move it up 2 frets, 2 palm mutes on the open A again, then go back to 7, D, 5, G and do it 2 times, the down up, open A once, and then up to 9 and 7 again, 2 palm mutes again on the A, and we just do that through 8 times for our chorus. And that's our chorus there. So for our little post-chorus, we play the riff the same as our intro again. To our C, 2 palm mutes to our D, 2 times back to our riff again. Now this time just bend the 7th fret with a pinched harmonic. Release, that's guitar 1. Now guitar 2 is just playing the 17th fret and sliding down. Then we go back to our riff again, to our C, palm muting to our D, back to our riff 2 times. The 3rd time we do the same as the intro. The 5s, 3 palm mutes on the A, and then our bend on 7, pull off the 5, D 7 5, A 7 5, E 8 5, and that's our little post-chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same, back to the pre-chorus the same, back to the chorus, and that's the same. So I'll just talk you through the bridge because it's pretty easy. We're just playing 7 on the A and the D, 5 on the G and the B. Then just go up to the G power chord, back to the F power chord, back to the G power chord. Then we play that 3 times, and the 2nd time and the 3rd time we just do that with a clean guitar, and that's our bridge there. From there we go back to the chorus, and that stays the same. Then for our outro chorus we have guitar 1, and that's doing the same chords as our bridge. Up to the G, back to the F, to the G, and we repeat that 10 times. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So it's all on the A string. We're going to play 3, 2, open, 2, 3, 2, and then 3, 5, 3, 2. And we're doing that 8 times. 8 times there. Then we have our outro. So we're doing our riff the same 3 times. This time just play the C 2 times, to the D once, and repeat that 3 times. And the 4th time we do the riff again 3 times. And then we're on the E string, 3, 5, the A, 2, 3, 2, back to the E, 5, 3, and just the A power chord twice. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Live Wire Guitar Lesson by Motley Crue. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And for hundreds of great songs, jump onto my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon.